Alright, so hello everybody. I'm gonna make a tier list on monsters right now. So, starting off with Rosemary, she's overall not a bad monster if you know how to use her. So, this is why I'm gonna place her at B. Not a bad monster, not a bad one, but not the greatest. Oh. Speaking of bad monsters, here we have Vapor. I think you know why he's D tier. He's not that good. Not that good. Anyways, Aoni, my man, my main man. Oh yeah. Hold up. Solid A. Pretty good. Basic abilities, but overall, pretty good. Now, Fogward. Now, he did get a buff. Pretty solid buffs. I mean, I think you can only outrun him if you have a Stefano, so he's not necessarily an S, but yeah, he's an A. Pretty good. Oh, this guy. Wow. The guy I can outrun so many times. Yeah. Not great, but not too bad. B tier. Oh, my main. I mean, he's pretty alright. Yeah, alright. People might hate me for this, but he's pretty solid in my opinion. I got like server wipe so easily just by using him, so. Oh, what the? Oopsies. Anyways. Now, the mask. Anyways, Samsonite. Ooh, okay. After the nerf, he's no longer an A tier. Maybe like a slight B. But then again, he's pretty good if you know how to use him after the rework. So overall, I'm feeling an B or an A as he went to B. You know what? I'm not trying to get people mad over this. So solid A. Anyways, Springtrap. He's garbage. He's trash. Get his ass out of here. Ain't nobody like you. MX the GOAT. Even after the nerf, he's still pretty solid. Pretty good. He's still a fun monster. Still pretty good. Oh, great. Forest King. The one monster I don't care about or hate. Unfortunately, she's pretty solid. Like, talking really good. So, yeah, an S tier. She's just really good. I know it's a dude, but I don't care. Whist. Yeah, that's a C tier. For a couple reasons. Pretty easy to outrun. Not that great. Pretty map dependent. So, oh, the guy. This guy. Neo. I don't see that many people using him for reasons. He's pretty good, but overall not that great. So I give him that. The Mimic, my main man. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Pretty good. And finally, Fuati. Honestly, he's pretty good. Not a bad monster, but he is pretty easy to loop, I might say. Well, here's my tier list. If you disagree, then you're wrong.